Hi students, welcome back to Chaitanya Mathematics Academy classes. Now today class is intermediate first year mathematics A paper trigonometric long answer questions. Okay, 11 questions already completed. Now this one is 12th question. Okay, alright. So the question is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, if A equals to 13, B equals to 14, C equals to 15, then show that capital R equals to, then show that capital R equals to 65 by 8, R1 equals to 21 by 2, R2 equals to 12 and R3 equals to 14. Okay. So first of all, the given values are A equals to 13 and B equals to 14 and C equals to 15. Right. Okay. Generally the formulas capital R, for actual we have formula delta equals to ABC by delta equals to ABC by 4R, but in this capital R means R equals to capital R equals to this problem is from properties of triangle. Okay, trigonometric properties of triangle. So to find out R value we have the formula ABC by 4 delta, and small r1 value is R1 is delta by S minus A. R1 is delta by S minus A, R2 is delta by S minus B and R3 is delta by S minus C. These are the formulas. Okay, these are the formulas means R1, R2, R3 formulas. So to find out these all values, we need A, B, C values and S value and delta value. A, B, C, S and delta. To find out these values we need the values of A, B, C, S, delta. So A, B, C already given. Okay, next we have to find out S and also delta. Okay, we have to find out now S value and delta value. So we have the formula 2S equals to. So we have to find out S value and also delta value. Okay, right. 2S equals to, we have the formula A plus B plus C. 2S equals to formula A plus B plus C. Okay, so already ABC values are there. Substitute the A value, B value and C value. Okay, so 13 plus 14 plus 15, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 1 carry plus 1 2 3 4. So 2S equals to 42. So 2S equals to 42. So S equals to 42 by 2. Okay, into 2 become by, divisible. 2 ones are 2, 2 and 1. So therefore now the S value is 21. Okay, now the S value is 21. Clear? So S value completed. Now we have to find out delta value. Okay, delta formula is square root of, I am writing the formula, square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, square root of delta formula is square root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Substitute the S value and ABC values. What is the S value here given? Sorry, S value is 21 and S minus A means 21 minus, what is A value? 13. Substitute S value and B value. S value 21 and B value is 14. Okay, S minus B completed. Right. Next S minus C means 21 minus C value. What is C value? 15. Okay. Now 21 as it is. 21 as it is. Next into 21 minus 13, 8. Okay, 21 minus 13, how much? 8. Next to 21 minus 14, 7 and 21 minus 15, 6. Clear? So the square root of 21 into 8 into 7 into 6. So total simplify, don't need to simplify total. 21 can be written as 3 into 7. Clear? Okay, 21 can be written as 3 into 7 and 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 or 4 into 2. Okay, 21 can be written as 4 into 2 and 7 as it is and 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Clear? Okay, 21 can be written as 3 into 7, 8 is 4 into 2, 7 as it is, 6 is 2 into 3. Okay, so 3 into 3, okay, 3 into 3, 3 square, clear, and into 7 into 7, 7 square into 4, and 2 into 2, 4 means 4 square, clear. Okay, so now see, square root of 3 square, 7 square and 4 square means square root cancel, means we can write 3 into 7 into 4, clear. Okay, square root cancel, or we can write square root of 3 square into square root of 7 square into square root of 4 square, we can write like this also. Okay, square root cancel, clear. Okay, 3 into 7, 21, 21 into 4, 84, 21 into 4, how much? 84, clear. Now the delta value is 84, delta value is 84. Okay, right. Next, S value completed and delta value also completed. Now capital R. What is the capital R value? Formula is ABC by 4 delta. This is the formula of capital R. Okay, this is the value of capital R. Now substitute the values. What is A value? A value is given 13, into B value is given 14, into C value is given 15. Okay, just substitute the values A, B, C, and by 4 into delta. What is delta value? 84 is the delta value. Okay, 84 is the delta value, clear. Next, see 14 ones are 14 six are, clear. 14 1 and 14 6, and next one 2 3 2s are 3 5s are, clear. See, remaining is 13 is remaining, into 5 is remaining, and what is the denominator? 4 is remaining, into 2 is remaining, clear. So 13 into 5 65, and 4 into 2 8. So which is equals to capital R. So capital R value 65 by 8 completed. Clear? 65 by 8 also completed. Next, R1 value. Now small r1. Already we know the formula of r1 is delta by s minus a. Delta by s minus a. Now what is delta value? Delta value is 84 and s value 21 minus a value is 13, right? So 84 as it is, 21 minus 13 is 8. Okay, with 8 not cancel means with 4 table, 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 4 into 1 means the answer is 21 by 2. This is the value of small r1. So r1 value is how much the value? 21 by 2. Clear? Next, r2 value. What is r2 formula? Delta by, already we know the formula, r2 value delta by s minus b. Okay, delta by s minus b. Now substitute. What is delta value? Delta value is 84 and s value is 21 and b value is 14. Okay, right. 84 as it is, and 21 minus 4 is, so 21 minus 14 is 7. Okay, clear. With cancel 7, 7 1, 7 1 is 7, remaining 1. Okay, 1 4 means 14, 7 2 is 14. So r2 value is, what is the value? 12. So r2 value is 12 also completed. Okay, capital R completed, r1 completed, and r2 completed. Next r3. R3 equals to, what is the formula? Delta by s minus c. Okay, R3 equals to delta by s minus c. Delta value we know already 84, and s minus c, s value is 21 and c value is 15. Clear? Okay, 84 as it is, and 21 minus 5 means 6. Okay, 6 1 6 1 6. Okay, remaining 2, 24, 6 2 is sorry, 6 4 is 24 means answer is 14. So R3 value also complete 14. Clear? Now the next problem. Okay. So 12th one, capital R value, R1 value, R2 value, R3 value completed. Clear? Okay. Now the next problem is the problem number 13. Okay. 13th long question. Okay. Okay. The next problem, if R equals to 1 and R1 equals to 2, R2 equals to 3 and R3 equal to 6 is the given values, then prove that A equals to 3, B equals to 4, C equals to 5. This problem is reverse to this problem. Okay, 12th reverse problem is 13 because of in 12th problem ABC value is given and we have to prove R terms. In this R terms given and we have to prove ABC values. Okay, right. So first of all write the given values. What is the given values? R value is given and R1 value is 2 given and R2 value is 3 given and also R3 value is given 6. Okay, so R1, R2, R3 completed. Now, so we have to find out ABC. So to find out ABC value, we need delta value. So delta square formula is R into R1 into R2 into R3. This is delta square value. Okay, so delta square value. So substitute the values. R value is 1. Dot means into 1 into R1 value 2 into R2 value 3 into R3 value 6. R we can write delta value root. Okay, we can write anything. Delta square means without root, delta means with root. Okay, R1, R2, R3. Okay, right. Next, square root of 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 6, 36. Okay, so square root of 36 value we know 6, means now we have the value delta equals to 6. Okay, we have the value delta equals to 6. Now R value is, what is the R value? Delta by S. We know the formula of small r is delta by S. Okay, see R value, what is the R value? 1. And what is the delta value? 6. And what is the S value? There is no S, means write as it is. Now cross multiplication, S into 1, yes, 1 into 6, 6. So now we have S value also. Clear? Okay, right. So delta equals to 6 completed and small r value, we know the formula delta by S. In this substitute R value is 1, delta value is 6. S value is not there, means write the S same as it is. Now the cross multiplication, S into 1 yes, 6 into 1 6. So delta value 6 and S also 6, right. Now R completed. Now with R1 formula already we wrote in the previous problem. R1 equals to delta by S minus A. S minus A. Okay, what is R1 value? 2. R1 value 2 and what is delta value? 6. Just substitute the values. And what is S value? 6. There is no A value, means write as it is, right. There is no denominator, means 1. Okay, right. Cross multiplication, R in LHS RHS means we can write cancel R, right. 2 into 2 6. Okay, 2 into 6 minus A equals to 1 into 6 6. So 2 1 2 3. Okay, now we have the value 6 minus A equals to 3. Okay, 6 minus A equals to 3. Okay, right. So minus A equals to 6 plus 3 become minus 3 and minus A become to the right side is plus A. Clear? 6 minus 3. Therefore 6 minus 3 equals to how much value? 3. 6 minus 3 value is 3. Okay, 6 minus A equal to 3, minus A become to the right side is plus A and plus 3 become minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3 equal to A or A equal to 3. So A value also completed. Okay, now R1 completed. Now R2 formula. What is R2 formula? Delta by S minus B. What is R2 formula? Delta by S minus C. R2, substitute the R2 value 3 and delta value 6 and S value also 6 minus B. Okay, right. So 3 1 3 2 in LHR RHS we can cancel the numbers. Okay, 1 into 6 minus B, 6 minus B equals to 1 into 2 2. Clear? Okay, 6 plus 2 become to the left side is minus 2 and minus B become plus B. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 equal to B or B equals to 4, anything. Okay, 4 equals to B, yeah, B equals to 4. B value also complete. Next, the final R3 formula is delta by S minus C. With R1 we get A value, R2 we can get B value, R3 we can get C value. So R1 value completed, R2 value completed. With R3 we can find out C also. Okay, right. What is R3? 6 equals to delta value also 6 and S value also 6. Okay, so 6 1 means cross multiplication. 6 minus C into 1, 6 minus C, 1 into 1 1. So that implies 6 plus 1 become to the left side is minus 1 and minus C become plus C. Therefore 6 minus 1 5 means C equals to 5. Clear? These are the A, B, C values. What is A value? 3, okay, and B value 4 and C value 5. Clear? These two problems are very repeated problems of properties of triangle of trigonometry. Okay, trigonometric में जो properties of triangle chapter है वो chapter में से ये दो problems maximum repeated problems है. Okay, clear? Right. The next question is, right, the next problem is show that cos A plus cos B plus cos C equals to 1 plus R by capital R. Okay, so actually in this problem the condition is in a triangle ABC are angles. Okay, not given in the question, but actually in a triangle capital ABC are angles of a triangle ABC. Okay, right. So see, A, B, C are angles of a triangle, ABC. Okay, clear? That means sum of interior angles equals to, means A plus B plus C equals to, sum of interior angles equals to how many degrees? 180 degrees. Similar problems already completed. Okay, so sum of interior angles equals to, sum of three interior angles equals to 180 degree. Okay, so from this, see, in A plus B plus C means divide with 2, because of we can use the formula, we use formula cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2, means A plus B by 2, means separate the denominator, means we can get A by 2 and B by 2, and also in next side we can get C by 2. So that's why divide with 2 first of all. A plus B plus C by 2. So A plus B plus C overall by 2 means A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equals to 180 by 2 means 90 degree. From this we can write A by 2 plus B by 2 equals to, plus C by 2 become minus C by 2 means 90 degree minus C by 2. Okay, so now we can use A by 2 plus B by 2 formula is 90 minus C by 2, and also C by 2 formula. Okay, C by 2 formula is equals to value 90 minus of A by 2 minus B by 2 or minus of A by 2 plus B by 2. Right, so we can use A by 2 plus B by 2 value, and also we can use C by 2 value. Okay, right. Now the actual question, what is the question? Cos A plus cos B plus cos C equals to, we have to show that answer is 1 plus small r by capital R. Okay, regular problem. So let it is C and it is B, D, sorry. A can be taken as C, and b can be taken as d. Cos c plus cos d formula. So 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 means c value is a, d value is b, right? Last one cos c as it is. Clear? Cos c plus cos d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 plus cos c. Clear? Okay, now see 2 cos, separate the denominator, means a by 2 and plus b by 2. Clear? And into cos of, here also we have to separate a by 2 minus b by 2 and plus cos c again as it is. Okay, right. So see, now we can use the value of a by 2 plus b by 2. A by 2 plus b by 2 value is 90 degree minus c by 2. So 90 degree minus c by 2. Okay, this one remaining as it is, cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 as it is. Okay, this one as it is, and next plus cos c also as it is. Right. Now see, cos of 90 minus theta, right? Cos of 90, c by 2 can be taken as theta, means cos of 90 minus theta means sin theta. Okay, sin of 90 minus theta means cos theta. Okay, so theta means what is the value here? C by 2. Cos of 90 minus theta value is sin theta. Sorry. Right. So cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta, and remaining as it is, cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 as it is. A by 2 minus b by 2 as it is. C. Cos c. We have to write cos c in terms of sin c. We have to write cos c value or cos c formula in terms of sin c by 2, means already we used in the previous problem 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2, right? See here the formula is, actually we have the formula cos 2 theta, formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, and from this if 2 theta is here, means in theta 2 theta half is 1 theta, means if here 2 theta means we can write here 1 theta. Here 4 theta means we can write 2 theta. If here 6 theta means we can write 3 theta. But if here theta is there means in theta what is half? Theta by 2, means cos theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. These are the formulas. Okay, cos theta, theta means c, 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, theta means c. Clear? Okay, right. Now right, see, write this one first of all, right? Write plus 1 first of all. So 1 is completed. Clear? 1 is completed. Next, remaining from remaining two terms, 2 sin c by 2, 2 sin c by 2 is the common. Okay, 2 sin c by 2 common. Okay, 2 sin c by 2 common. So 2 sin c by 2 common means what is the remaining? Cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. Cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. Okay, it is completed. And this one completed. From this 2 common, 1 sin c by 2 common, but square is there means remaining one more, means minus sin c by 2. Sin c by 2. Okay, so 2 sin c by 2 means remaining cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. Here 2 sin c by 2 common means remaining one more sin c by 2. And see, 1 plus 2 sin c by 2, 2 sin c by 2 into this one as it is, cos of a by 2 minus cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. Okay, a by 2 minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. C, substitute c by 2 value. What is c by 2 value? 90 minus of a by 2 plus b by 2. A by 2 plus b by 2. Clear? Okay? Right. Substitute c by 2 value. There is no change, just substitute c by 2. What is c by 2 value? 90 minus of a by 2 plus b by 2. Right. Now 1 plus 2 sine c by 2. 2 sine c by 2 into this one cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. Okay, minus, see here cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta, reverse here, sin of 90 minus theta, let in the bracket term, inside the bracket term is can be taken as theta, means here what is theta value? A by 2 plus b by 2, means sin of 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta, theta means a by 2 plus b by 2, clear? Right. Alright, next that implies 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 as it is. Okay, 2 sin c by 2 as it is. See, cos of a minus b. Let a by 2 is a and b by 2 is b. Right? What is a by 2 can be taken as a, b by 2 can be taken as b. Means cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Formula is 2 sin a sin b, means sin a by 2 sin b by 2. Instead of formula, a can be taken as a by 2, b can be taken as b by 2, means 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2. See, here I am writing the formula cos of a minus b, and standard formula in ab terms, but in the problem we have in a by 2 b by 2. So cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b formula is 2 sin a sin b. In this formula substitute a value a by 2 and b value b by 2. Clear? Right. Now that implies 1 plus 2 into 2 4. Right, first of all a term. What is a term? Sin a by 2. And next write b term. What is b term? Sin b by 2. And write c by 2 means sin c by 2. Right. So answer is completed, but show that there is different answer. 1 plus small r by capital R. 1 completed plus as it is in numerator r. So see, we have the r formula. We have small r formula is 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Small r formula. What is small r formula? 4 into capital R into sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2, means capital R is missing in this. Okay, if capital R is there, means 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2, means we can write small r. Means to write small r there is capital R missing. If capital R is there, means we can write direct the value is small r, means multiply and divide with capital R to the second term only. This one as it is, listen carefully, this one as it is. Okay, just for second term only multiply and divide with capital R. Okay, 4 capital R sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 by capital R. So multiply with capital R, divide with capital R, and see 1 plus the numerator value is, we have the direct formula small r, by this one is capital R. Clear? 1 plus small r by capital R. We have the direct formula, there is no any change. We have direct formula small r is 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 and sin c by 2. So that means 1 plus small r by capital R, the required answer. Clear? Okay, this is the problem number 14. Okay, next problem is 15th one. The problem number 15th one. Okay, right. The next problem is, show that 1 by r square plus 1 by r1 square plus 1 by r2 square plus 1 by r3 square equals to, we have to show that answer is a square plus b square plus c square by delta square. First of all, write the LHS. 1 by r square plus 1 by r1 square plus 1 by r2 square plus 1 by r3 square. Okay, this is the LHS. Write the r formula. We have r formula is delta by s to the whole square. Okay, r formula is delta by s. Next, r1 formula is delta by s minus a to the whole square. Okay, next r2 square is delta by s minus b to the whole square, and r3 formula delta by s minus c and whole square as it is. Just substitute r value is delta by s, r1 value is delta by s minus a, r2 value is delta by s minus b, r3 formula delta by s minus c. Okay, square the fraction. 1 by delta by s square means delta square by s square. Clear? And next one also same. 1 by numerator to the square and denominator to the square are, okay, numerator square and denominator to the square. Next one also same. Delta to the square s minus b to the square. Clear? Okay, right. Next one, last one is delta to the square s minus c to the square. Delta square and s minus c to the square. Clear? And the fraction will become reciprocal. Reciprocal means reverse. Okay, 1 into s square by delta. Reciprocal means s square by delta square and plus reciprocal means s minus a to the whole square by delta square and plus s minus b whole square by delta square and plus s minus c whole square by delta square. Reciprocal. Clear? And what is the LCM? Delta square. What is the LCM? Delta square. So delta square, denominators LCM same means write the numerator as it is s square plus s minus a to the square plus s minus b to the square plus s minus c to the square. Clear? Right? Next slide. Okay, right. Next, the previous step is s square plus s minus a whole square plus s minus b whole square plus s minus c to the whole square by, what is the LCM? Delta square. Okay, separate the denominator delta square. 1 by delta square outside. Okay, right. What is the remaining? Delta square outside. Okay, next s square as it is. Okay, plus a minus b whole square means s minus a whole square. A square means s square plus b square means a square minus 2ab means minus 2sa. Remaining also same. A minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next one also a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Clear? Okay, simplification completed. Whole square simplification completed. C 1 by delta square again as it is, and C 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many s square terms? 4s square terms. 4s square. Okay, plus C a square is one time and b square also one time and c square also one time. Clear? A square plus b square plus c square. See the remaining terms, minus 2sa minus 2sb minus 2sc means minus 2s is the common from the remaining. Minus 2s is the common means plus a plus b and plus c. Clear? Right. Next again 1 by delta square as it is, and 4s square plus a square plus b square plus c square minus 2s. We have the formula a plus b plus c equals to 2s. Okay, a plus b plus c value is 2s. Okay, that implies again 1 by delta square as it is, 4s square as it is, a square plus b square plus c square also as it is, minus 2 into s into s into 2, 4s square. 2 into 2, 4, s into s square. So plus 4s square minus 4s square get cancelled. Okay, what is the remaining in numerator? A square plus b square plus c square. Okay, by what is the denominator? Delta square. Okay, this is the 15th solution of long question from the trigonometric chapter. Okay, right? So I hope you guys understand the solutions. Okay, if you understand, if you like the class, like and share and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Remaining in the next class.